How to add or remove music share button to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit button. Then tap on edit. After that, we go down to the available buttons section. Then swipe across until you find music share. And from here, tap on music share, and that will be added to your quick settings panel. Then tap on done, then tap on done again to save the changes. Now, if you pull down your quick settings panel, swipe down again to open up the full menu. Here is music share. You can tap on it to switch off or turn on music share. If you touch and hold on music share, it will go to the music share sections, and in here you can customize your music share. Now to remove the button, we swipe down to open up the quick settings panel, then tap on the pencil icon. Next tap on edit, then we go down here and tap on music share, tap on the remove button to remove it from the quick settings panel. Then tap on done, then tap on done again to save the changes. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.